Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and we're also going to talk about Bitcoin. At least in the short term, try to focus on Ethereum first thing first, right? And we're going to talk about Bitcoin later on, okay? But before we talk about the good stuff, if you're new to our content, you know what to do. All right, make sure to hit the likes, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy the content. We got a public Telegram group, link in the description, and if you want to join, you can basically join a 700 active traders in our Telegram group. Very active people, basically got their own analysis and all of that good stuff, looking for some crazy price targets, right? So before we talk about Ethereum, I'm just going to show you very quickly regarding Ethereum price range, what we've been looking for over the last few days and so on. We've been bullish on Ethereum, over like, when Ethereum was like a 350 and so on, we've been bullish on Ethereum. So we've been looking for Ethereum pump to like a 718 to 738, price target range. We right now at 718 to basically, 738. So we just updated our target. Recently, we were looking for this move to the upside. You can see Ethereum pump to that level. Right now, Ethereum still bullish, so I updated my price target up to like a 825, could potentially pump to like a 944 and so on, right? So these are the type of a setup you get with Sun Crypto Premium. So if you would like to join our premium group, let me know in the chat room. So you can basically definitely join my premium group. We possibly could be in a bull market, so all of these basically big move, we're going to be getting it over and over again. Okay, so you take a look at Bitcoin, right? We basically been saying Bitcoin going to be pumping, right here. After the breakout, we hit the target right there. Right after the breakout also, we said, hey guys, Bitcoin broke the 23,950. That's it. MACD cross bullish. You're going to be taking it to the upside. First target 26.5, second target 28, right? So before that, also, we did talk about BTC, okay? We explained to you guys why BTC is going to be pumping to the upside. When BTC was at 23, we say it's going to drop down to 22. So that's all I wanted to show you guys regarding the premium group. So now let's talk about the good stuff regarding Ethereum. Most people have been calling for Ethereum dropping, and Ethereum is going to be dropping down to all of that good stuff. Looking to short Ethereum, I said, guys, I'm one of the biggest bear. Okay, I've been bearish on Ethereum like around 200 to 400 right before the breakout. However, after we broke 410, all I said is don't short this sucker. Okay, sucker could be pumping and following BTC and all of that good stuff. So what are we looking for right now on the bigger time frame? So we're looking for Ethereum. Okay, it is a very dangerous play. However, the 2-day time frame is looking extremely confident. The bulls looking like they want to push the price. They broke the resistance, which is like 675 on the 2-day time frame. We basically closed above 675 cleanly. So this candle we got right now, it is a 2-day time frame, even though it is very aggressive, right? So I don't think like we're gonna get to like 824 within this 2-day candle. Who knows? But it could potentially get rejected temporarily. So just keep it in mind. It might not be a straight shot all the way up to $800, 824. But we've been long on Ethereum since like, just by this area, took profit right there, and again just by 630, 640, 650. Right now it is at 740, 750 range. So we could potentially over the next like a few days and so on, basically look for a further move to the upside. The stop loss you're looking at right now is like you just have to suck it up, because the previous 2-day candle was the breakout candle. So we don't want to basically retest like 611, 612. As long as price action can stay above 612, 611, it can potentially break above this key area and even retest like 950, 940 over the next few weeks and so on. So keep that in mind. Also on a 3-day basis, it is kind of aggressive. On the 3-day basis, we just gonna close like the 3-day basis like in 15 hours. Okay, what does it mean? It is going to be crucial. Okay, it is going to be crucial because as soon as we close the 3-day candle, we could see some rejection, right? The first 5-7 hours, right, of the next candle down to like 612. I mean, Of course, not 612, 680. Okay, hopefully not 612, right? Because 612 going to be like a candle open right there. Okay, so that's why we put in stop loss below the 3-day engulfing breakout. At the same time, if you take a look at it on a 2-day basis, that's the same candle, which basically get incorporated into the current 3-day candle. You see what I'm saying? So if you switch it on a 3-day basis, you can see right there. So within the next 24 hours, we could possibly see a rejection temporary down to 680, right? Even down to like a 660, right? And it is still going to be bullish, and price action could potentially get bought up and sucker could be pumping afterward. So all of that we're going to talk about it on a lower degree, depending what type of price action we're going to get after that, right? You take a look at the 2-day time frame. One of the reasons why we bullish on Ether is like the 2-day time frame flip bullish in general. Okay, this pattern, it is a bearish pattern. I said it in my premium group and I was like, it is a bearish pattern, but we're just gonna take it slow. Break above 630, it is going to be a long up to basically 718, 734, and afterward we're gonna take a look at it, what we're gonna get, because we know we got potential to pump up to, price action has a potential to pump to like 824 to 900, but it is not going to be a straight line. You see what I'm saying? This sucker could do this and still do that, right? So the timing could be wrong, but price target could still be right. You see what I'm saying? So that's why when you're leveraging, you just have to be cautious, because if this sucker does this and pump to the upside target, it is still going to be in target, right? It is still going to hit target, right? You know what I mean, right? Trying to just make it trying to basically explain to you guys to be why you should be cautious, right? So now let's take a look at the king. So king BTC, so BTC, we already hit our target 28, right? I already showed you all of that good stuff regarding the breakout. I've been showing you over the last few days and so on. BTC going to be making what, a flat correction right here, right? Told you right there, as we need to close where, above 29, not 29, above 23 950, right? As you can see on the 6-hour time frame, right? On the 8-hour, we did not close above it, right? So that's why sometimes I pay attention to the 8-hour, but 8-hour closed just about 24. But on the 6-hour time frame, we said if we close above like 23 950, sucker gonna be a long, right? And you can wait for your 8-hour also to close just to get the extra 2-hour confirmation. Remember, it is very important. Those extra 2-hour, okay, confirmation is very, very important. So as you can see, it dipped down right here, right, after the 6-hour close. But if you switch to your 8-hour, you're not going to be panicking, because you know the 8-hour close above resistance. You see what I'm saying? It closed right where, at 24. We were looking for a close above 23 950. It closed at 24 025, something like that, right? So we basically took it to the upside all the way up. Right now, it is very aggressive to be long in BTC, all right? Very aggressive to be long in BTC. So what we're looking for is like some sort of correction right here, okay? So I don't think price action gonna break above 28 straight up. You see the type of a correction we got right here, right? We talked about it when BTC was right here. What we said, we're gonna drop right down to the 8-hour 21 EMA, and we're gonna pump right back up, right? Once we hit the target at like 24, we said, guys, be cautious. We can still get another small flat correction right here before pumping to the upside. So price action, okay, understanding price action is very, very important, in this market, because market is very, very volatile, and it's not going to give you a straight line all the time. Whenever you get a pump, you're going to correct. You get a pump, you have to correct, okay? You can see like right there, we got the pump, we corrected. So if you don't understand the correction, you're going to be buying the top. You're going to be thinking like you're going to break out right here. You're going to buy it right here, and then you're going to get stopped out right there. You're going to short right there. You're going to get stopped out right here, and you're going to long. You're going to get stopped out again. So top and bottom, be cautious with it, right? They basically can give you a very, very tough time, right? All right, guys, if you enjoyed the content, hit the likes, subscribe, join the public Telegram group. Make sure also to basically hit the notification so you can join, not join, but get our public updates and all of that good stuff. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching, man.